In our last class we discussed about classification of crops according to types and uses. And today our topic is farm animals and classification based on mode of feeding. Farm animals are domestic animals raised on land. Farm animals are cow, goat, chicken, etc. They are produce as commodities such as meat, eggs, milk, etc. Farm animals are also used as labor. Farm animals, livestock, can be classified based on four major things. Their mode of feeding,
their mode of breeding, i.e., how they produce young ones, their habitats, i.e., where they live, and
their uses. Classification of animals based on mode of feeding. Ruminants and non-ruminant. Ruminants farm animals are animals with complex stomach. They feed mostly on grass. For examples, goat, cow, sheep, etc. Non-ruminants. Non-ruminants are other animals that feed mostly on tubers, grains, beans and fruits. For examples, pig, fish, chicken, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.